Hello guys, Flash with another video. Today we're going to talk about MOONPIRATE. I'm going to get into the website, the BSC scan. I'm going to show you guys the token. I'm going to show you guys the chart, all the plans they have. We're going to take a look at the light paper as well, and all the good stuff that this token is bringing. This is a very interesting token, so please watch till the end. Okay, so let's take a look at their slogan on MOONPIRATE.finance. So they're saying there's on moon and we're sailing there. There will be MOONPIRATE rum when we get there, seriously. So when they say seriously, it's actually pretty serious, because MOONPIRATE will be making rum in the future. 51,000 holders at the moment. This number has been growing very quickly, as the token it's a very interesting token. So I want to take a look at the introduction on the light paper. So this is the official 1.0 edition of the MOONPIRATE business light paper. So they plan on launching a full white paper in the coming weeks. MOONPIRATE is a token based on the Binance Smart Chain and is one of the first crypto tokens which is in collaboration with Real Distillery. Yes, they are producing real alcohol. They're collaborating with Get Knock LLC to ensure that the vision of MOONPIRATE holders comes to life in real alcoholic beverages. MOONPIRATE will not have a liquor license or have any part in the making, selling of alcohol, as this will all be performed by Get Knock LLC. So by owning MOONPIRATE tokens, you will be provided with the opportunity to vote on a range of options for future alcoholic beverages. So the type of alcohol, labels, bottles, ingredients, and etc. The opportunity to purchase limited edition alcoholic releases, the opportunity to enter competitions to win alcoholic related products, and the opportunity to receive potential discount codes for alcoholic purchases. All that will be available on the Get Knock website. Okay, so let's get into the tokenomics. MOONPIRATE has 0.8% burned forever, 1.2% automatically gets distributed back to the holders, and 2% automatically goes back into the liquidity. So all the tokens have been 100% burned forever, and ownership was renounced shortly after the launch. MOONPIRATE was a fair launch offering with 1 BNB initial liquidity from the initial 100 quadrillion tokens. The distribution was as per below. So 60% of the total supply was burned, 34% to Pancake swap liquidity, 5% to the founder, 2.3% of which was awarded to early holders in comps, therefore 2.7% remaining with founder, 1% to web and graphic designer. By the way, MOONPIRATE is available on Pancake swap. You can buy it with BNB. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor or anything. This is all for education purposes only. So yeah, you need MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet. You need BNB in your account. Make sure the slippage tolerance is on 5%. Just click swap. You'll get a notification from MetaMask. Just confirm that, and that's how easy it is to get MOONPIRATE token. I want to dive into the social medias real quick of MOONPIRATE, because Twitter is the most up-to-date info news where you can get the latest up-to-date stuff. So I highly suggest you guys going and following them on Twitter. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications. Don't forget to check all their social medias website in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next one.